So in the last video I showed you how to take off the brush bars from the bottom of this unit, the VAX dual power carpet washer. If you've not watched that video, go ahead and watch it. It's quite specific as to how them brush bars come off, and you've got to squeeze them away from the belt and what have you. So watch that if you haven't already seen it. It's worth making a quick video just to talk about the two tanks, the fresh water tank and then the mucky water tank, and how those can be cleaned too, so you've got a fresh machine. So the top one is the clean water tank, and that one just clips out using the little blue clip at the front there. So what I did, as you can see in the video, is start to unscrew the top handle. It actually works out that you don't actually have to take that top off, that can stay put. That's more just the handle. It doesn't give you any more access into it than leaving that on, so leave that on and you can just clean it out with a bit of soap and water. If you can get like a long brush in there and just give it a swirl around, that's enough and quite sufficient to clean that top tank. The waste tank just clips out in the same way, and the actual top of this unit clips off rather than having to unscrew anything. So when you clip that off, you can see the underside and it's going to be all gunked up. Just generally want to clean that with a soft brush, a bit of detergent, being careful not to damage anything. Try and get as much of the gunk out of there as possible. If you've cleaned something quite heavy, then there will be a lot of mess in there, like you can see in the video on this particular model. Just give that a clean, and then that is enough to clean that tank out. So like I mentioned before, if you've not watched the video about how to take the brush bars off and the belt, watch that. Really interesting and very, very useful if you need to replace them or just give it a bit of a clean.